I decided to fix my home because I had cracks in the brick, and large cracks, and I also had cracks over the doorway in my house, and so I realized that's something that needed to be tended to quickly. So I went online, did research, then I called AFS. Yes, it was, and the reason I think so is because it brought the value of our home back to what it should be, and I appreciated the warranty, the lifetime warranty that comes with it and the guarantee that I got. That, first of all, the representative who came out explained everything so perfectly. He told me exactly how it works and what they would be doing. And then when the service guys came out to do the job, they were fantastic. They, from the moment they got here till they left, they worked constantly. And were just, they even explained to me everything they were doing. So I appreciated that, and I can't tell you enough about how great they were in doing the job. Well, I would tell my neighbors to use AFS for any kind of problem like this because first of all, they know what they're talking about, they know what they're doing, and they do what they say they're going to do and stand behind it.